Hello, my name is Farha, and I'm excited to welcome you to this video. Today, my partners Ruha, Ezra, and I will be exploring what allergies are and how they are related to the immune system. Allergies are a common condition in which the immune system overreacts to harmless substances, causing a range of symptoms. These symptoms can include sneezing, running or a stuffy nose, itchy or watery eyes, skin rashes or hives, swelling, difficulty breathing or wheezing, and abdominal pain or diarrhea. Allergies can be triggered by a variety of substances, including pollen, dust mites, animal dander, foods, and medications. Some allergies are seasonal, while others can occur year-round. It is important to understand allergies and the immune response for several reasons. First, allergies can have a significant impact on a person's quality of life, and in severe cases, they can be life-threatening. By understanding how allergies work, people can take steps to prevent allergic reactions and seek appropriate treatment when necessary. Second, allergies are an important area of research in immunology. Scientists are working to understand the underlying mechanisms of allergic reactions to develop new treatments for allergies, including immunotherapy. Finally, allergies can be a sign of underlying health problems such as autoimmune disorders or infections. By understanding the relationship between allergies and the immune system, healthcare providers can better diagnose and treat these conditions. Now I will be moving on to how allergies and the immune system are related. The immune system is closely related to allergies because allergies are essentially an overreaction of the immune system to harmless substances known as allergens. Allergens are substances that can trigger an allergic reaction in certain individuals. They can be found in a variety of sources, including food, medications, insect stings, pollen, and animal dander, among others. Common examples of allergens include pollen from trees and flowers, dust, and foods such as peanuts, shellfish, and eggs. Allergens can enter the body through several routes, including inhalation, ingestion, and injection, and skin contact. Inhalation is one of the most common routes of exposure and occurs when allergens are breathed in through the nose or mouth. This can happen when someone is exposed to pollen, dust mites, and animal dander. Now my partner Ruha will be talking about the immune response to allergens.
When allergens enter the body, it can trigger an immune response in susceptible individuals. In individuals with allergies, the immune system mistakes allergens for harmful invaders such as viruses or bacteria and mounts an immune response against them. This response is characterized by the activation of immune cells and the production of antibodies, which can lead to the development of an allergic reaction. One of the key players in the immune response to allergens is a type of antibody called immunoglobulin E. IgE antibodies are produced by B cells in the response to exposure to allergen. They then attach to a type of immune cells called a mast cell, which is found in tissue throughout the body. When an allergen comes into contact with IgE antibodies of mast cells, it triggers the release of inflammatory chemicals such as histamine from the mast cells. This process is known as degranulation and can lead to the development of allergic symptoms. The severity of an allergic reaction can vary from person to person and can depend on a variety of factors, including the type of allergen, the route of exposure, and the individual's immune system. Mild allergic reaction can cause symptoms such as itching, sneezing, and hives, while more severe reaction can cause symptoms such as difficulty breathing, swelling of the face and throat, and rapid drop in blood pressure. Some of the most common types of allergic reactions include hay fever. This is an allergic reaction that occurs in response to exposure to pollen, dust mites, or animal dander. Symptoms can include sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. Another type of reaction is asthma. This is an allergic reaction that affects the airway, making it difficult to breathe. Symptoms can include wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. The most severe type of allergic reaction is anaphylaxis, which is potentially life-threatening reaction that can occur within seconds or minutes of exposure to an allergen. Anaphylaxis can cause symptoms such as difficulty breathing, swelling of the face and throat, and a rapid drop in blood pressure. Without prompt treatment, anaphylaxis can be fatal. People who are at risk for a severe allergic reaction should carry an epinephrine autoinjector such as an EpiPen at all times and know how to use it in case of an emergency. Overall, the immune response to allergens involves the activation of immune cells and the production of antibodies, which can lead to the release of inflammatory chemicals and the development of allergic symptoms. Understanding this process is essential for developing effective treatments for allergies and other immune-related diseases. Now, I'll be handing it off to Isra, who will discuss effective treatments for allergies.
One of the most effective treatment options for allergies are antihistamines. Antihistamines are medications that work by blocking the effects of histamine, a chemical released by the immune system in response to an allergen. Histamine causes symptoms such as itching, sneezing, and runny nose. Additionally, some people might prefer opting for a long-term relief from allergies, such as immunotherapy, which is also known as allergy shots. Immunotherapy involves exposing the individual to gradually increasing amounts of the allergen over time, with the goal of reducing the body's sensitivity to the allergen. Immunotherapy can provide long-term relief from allergies and reduce the need for medication. If someone does not want to use a medical approach to gain relief from allergies, they can instead take preventative measures to avoid exposure to allergens. Some tips for reducing exposure to allergens include keeping indoor spaces clean and free of dust and mold, which would include the regular cleaning and using air filters to help reduce indoor allergens. Additionally, susceptible individuals can avoid outdoor activities during peak pollen season. Pollen counts tend to be highest in the morning and on windy days, so avoiding outdoor activities during these times can help reduce exposure to pollen. Oftentimes, medical providers may advise individuals to get allergen testing done. Allergy testing can help identify specific allergens that trigger allergic reactions. Skin tests involve exposing the skin to small amounts of different allergens and observing the skin's reaction. Blood tests measure the levels of certain antibodies in the blood that are associated with allergic reactions. Knowing which allergens trigger allergic reactions can help individuals take steps to reduce their exposure to these allergens and avoid potential allergic reactions. In conclusion, allergies are a common condition that occurs when the immune system overreacts to harmless substances known as allergens. Allergens can be found in a variety of sources and can enter the body through several routes. The immune system's response to the allergens involves the activation of immune cells and the production of antibodies, such as immunoglobulin E, IgE, which can lead to the development of an allergic reaction. Understanding allergies and the immune response is essential for managing allergies and reducing the risk of complications such as anaphylaxis. Treatment options such as antihistamine and immunotherapy can provide relief from allergic reactions, but preventing exposure to allergens and getting allergy testing are also important parts of managing allergies. Thank you.